So this is the story of how I went from looking for an editor to edit my videos or editing my videos in not so professional way to absolutely getting AI to edit all my videos for me for free. So you already know what this video is going to be about. This video that you've been watching since I started talking was edited by AI. That means the background, the caption, the edit, everything was done by AI and it is free. So if you would like to edit your videos using AI, save yourself time, create more content, I will definitely teach you in a few steps. So let's get right into this video. Let's get started.
So what you need to do is to go onto your Play Store and just type in the word Vmake. You can see I've already downloaded mine, so I will just go over the details of the app. You can see that it's stated here automated editing, dynamic caption. I'm just going to open up, but if you've not downloaded before, this will be a perfect time for you to download the app before we get started. So once I'm into the app, you can see that a year will cost me about 123,000 naira, and then a month is 13,000 naira. But we are not going to spend the dime because at the beginning of this video I explicitly stated that this was going to be free. So now that we are into the app, I'm just going to go over some edits that is available already. Something special about this edit is that when you use the templates, even if they use like a paid feature in it, you can still use it for free. So now I'm just going to pick one of these templates. I can still change it when I get into the video, so I'm just going to pick a video that I would like to edit. I'll scroll down into my gallery and just pick one of my videos. Let's get into this editing ASAP. So once I've picked my video, he's going to analyze my video content to make sure that this video content has never been edited before. That is a very good point. If you want to edit, ensure that the video you are posting onto this space has never been edited before. So it's going to start trying to process and edit the image, but I'm going to stop it because I want to look over some other editing templates, and they put it into segments. There is art, simple, and creative. I'm going to be using the creative one, the one with the blonde lady, and then I'm going to click on it, and then AI editing is in progress. So I'm just going to wait a while. As long as you have good data connection, it's going to be super fast. So you can see that my video has been edited. As you're looking at this video now, it is fully edited, and then I can start going over any other feature that we want to include in this video. So my video has been edited. You can see the templates, the features, the very captivating captions. Everything has been edited. So I'm absolutely not doing anything again, but I still want to make my video more catchy, so I'm going to go over some other features. So yeah, I clicked on the relight because I want to change the background of my video. So I'm changing the color. I love using this pink color that looks like purple as well. So I'm just going to make my video like that. Another thing is, you can see this beautify. This is absolutely replacing CapCut. CapCut is paid now. Every feature that is important on CapCut is paid now. So yeah, I'm just going to tweak a few of the transitions that I do not like, especially the dark effect. So I'm just going to go over the transitions that they have available, and I'm going to choose the ones that are free because I don't want to pay for anything. I absolutely want to use it for free. So once I've done that, you can see that the edit has just been implemented into my video. So another thing that you can do is to beautify yourself, make your skin smooth, make your skin glow, change your skin color. Now I'm changing my skin tone. I'm making my tone a little bit darker, and then I'm smoothing my face. My face looks very smooth. At the end of this video, you can see that my face is already smooth. Now for the skin color, I'm going to choose the tan effect, but you can choose other ones. The light one made me look too light, so I would try to use the tan effect to see which makes me dark closer to my color. So this is something that I highly recommend because your videos can look sharp, neat, and very clean. You don't even need to do too much at the end of the day. So once I'm done with that, there are templates for makeup and eye details, eyeshadow, eyebrows. I'll just go over the contour. I'll pick a contour that is free as well. Then after that, I'm going to choose a lipstick that I'm going to choose the red color because I want something that is shouty, but I'm going to make it mild. I'm not going to make it too shouty. I will change my contact lenses to something that is going to pop as well, but very close to my skin tone, which is brown. And then after all of that, if you're done at this point, then you should go over to export. But if you're not done, you can still try to play around with colors, makeup, and what have you on this platform, on this website, on this app. So at the end of the day, this is what my video looks like. So my video looks very, very catchy, very interesting. Another thing is that you can change your caption. Actually, you can change your caption. If you don't like the way it looks, you can actually edit that. So it's not a must that you're going to use the caption that comes with the template. So this is the before and after of the video edit. You can see what my video looked like before, and you can see what it looked like after all the edits that was done for me by AI. I just had to tweak a couple of things here and there to suit my own taste and what I want my video to look like, of which you can do the same. There is no one forcing you to do whatever you don't want to do. So this app is free and it is known as Vmake. And now that CapCut has been restricted in America, this is a very good time for you to try this out now.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this content and you love to see me create more content like this, teaching you how to do things yourself as a content creator and an entrepreneur in the online space, then I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel so that you'll be one of the first to get notified when I drop more videos like this.